Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do Airbnb without owning any property or how to earn from Airbnb without owning any property. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to earn money from Airbnb without owning any property, I'm going to tell you 3 most effective ways to do that. And the first one is renting a property to do Airbnb. If you don't have any property and you want to do the Airbnb, you can buy any property for a limited time to do Airbnb, and then you can run the Airbnb on your own after being a host for that rental property from your Airbnb account. And the second option here is to go into your Airbnb application and from there join any host as co-host into Airbnb. Then after joining as co-host, you can do many things into there as the co-host of any Airbnb. This way you can also make money and run Airbnb without owning any property of yours. And the last and very helpful to earn money is to become a crafter or the vacation marketer. What this means is you can create social media marketing about Airbnb and also the email marketing, and you can also create the content and blog posting about the Airbnb. This way you can easily earn money or do Airbnb without owning any property. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.